Good morning, guys. This is Val with How To's by Bros, and today I'm going to be showing you how to improve your posture, and I'm going to give you a couple exercises that you can do at home. You don't need weights. Actually, a lot of bad posture is caused by not lifting right and not having a good posture when you're lifting. So guys, if you guys are going to work out and doing any exercises, make sure you're keeping your back in line. You're never slouching when you're doing any kind of lifting, any kind of exercises. Make sure you guys are up and you're always rounding your shoulders out, not slouching. All right. So when I've had a little bit of trouble slouching, and these are some exercises that have helped me out. First, when I wake up in the morning, I do a couple rounded shoulders, I call them. You want to start off like this, with your neck up, and then as you go, you go with your neck down, your chin all the way down to your chest, and you're just kind of just warming up your shoulders for the day, just kind of getting everything settled for the day. For all these exercises is really because you're strengthening your back. So make sure that you're really focusing on tightening your back in all of these, because the reason for your slouching is that your body weight is just carrying you down, and it's causing you to slouch. So what we're doing in these exercises is tightening your back muscles and over time strengthening your back muscles. So I hope you guys love this video, and let's start. So first, these are what I call backward planks. So normal planks, you go on you go like this with normal planks. Well, this time we're gonna go up on our hands. You can put your hands either face up or face down. I like them face down. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna start with your legs like this, and you're just gonna go straight up. And then you come back down, straight up. So notice how when I do these, my back is completely straight. The only thing that's really working, again, are my shoulders. And I'm going straight up. And you count. Now you can count to about like 5 Mississippis. Sometimes I do 10, depending on how I'm feeling, or just depending on where you're at. If you're just starting, maybe 3 Mississippis, but 5 Mississippis is perfect for me. So I go up again. My feet aren't together, they're a little bit spread out. And then after 5, I'll come back down, wait 5, do 5 Mississippis like this, and I'll come right back up. And you can do 5 sets of those. Another really good exercise is, now I'm gonna face down. If you have a mat, that would be perfect for like in your living room, wherever you're at, is a nice mat. And you go face down. For this one, I'm going to start with my hands straight, kind of like a Superman, and I'm just gonna. And again, you don't want to go too far up. You want to keep your back in a good posture, nice and straight. You don't want to go too high. You don't want to go too high up, but you want to. So for those, you want to do about three Mississippis. 3 Mississippis, go down, and I do those in sets. So I do about 5 of them. So it's 1, 2. You go to 5. So then that would be 1 set. I do a couple more, about 3 sets for those ones actually, and then. After you do the Superman straight ahead, I go to the side with my hands, and I just do the same thing. Again, guys, what you're trying to do is improve your posture. So think about that when you're doing it, and really don't over exaggerate and go too far, because again, that can hurt your back your shoulders, things like that. Just go in a nice, what you guys feel is a nice even, so you guys can be balanced. Remember, you're balancing on your stomach, so just try to balance and hold it for about 3 Mississippis. Do that 5 times, and then after those reps, you can chill out a little bit, and then do 5 more. Try to push yourselves a little bit. So yeah, guys, those were a couple exercises that I do that you can do at home. Please, guys, when you're working out again, please keep a good posture. Your back straight. You're never slouching when you're working out. You can hurt your back seriously, guys. So please, guys, I hope you guys found this helpful. Love you guys, and please comment down below for any other how-tos. This is How-Tos by Bros, and this was Val. Now I'm going to share with you guys a verse. The verse of the day for me comes from Luke 9:23. And he said to all, if anyone would come after me, let him deny himself and take up his cross daily and follow me. Guys, that's Jesus. That's Jesus's words, and he's telling you guys, if you want to follow him, you gotta die to yourself daily. Stay in the word daily, and it's a daily thing, guys. This is not just a Sunday thing. It's an everyday thing, as Andy Mineo says in his song. So please, guys, think about that. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time.